Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is dedicated to help people get rid of fake alerts and the typical online scam that comes from the website www-safety.com. It's a misleading website that displays pretty frustrating information that tries to scare people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and in some other versions it may also tell some other frustrating statements. So all these faulty statements have in mind to make people click on this proceed button, and because of that they may be forwarded to some other misleading website that may promote a totally different software, by the way. So there's something really frustrating, scary and misleading with all these pop-ups, and you should not interact with them. They are not related to any decent company. In fact, these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your computer. So first thing you could do is to check the list of your available applications and uninstall or move some suspicious programs to the trash if you find them. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions. If you have Firefox, click on the menu, go to Add-ons and Themes. Look for suspicious extensions and delete them. Now, if something similar has attacked your Google Chrome, do the same thing. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions, disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend you to research the system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is crucial because your system could be additionally burdened by some other hidden malware or adware running in the background and causing such browser issues. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application. This is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database. This might take several minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, you'll need to click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the research and investigation of your computer. But believe me, even with the trial version, these free features like disk cleaner, big files and duplicates will help to make your computer work in a much faster way than it is currently working. The antivirus feature, however, as I said, is the part of the premium license only. To remove any hidden or complex malware or some potentially unwanted software, the premium version is required. However, you may ask for the limited trial key with limited period of its validity and it will help you to evaluate all features of Combo Cleaner Premium version. So after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your device with its help. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific thread on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the thread, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific thread, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of thread on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threads automatically.